What's up, guys? Welcome back to All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious wing recipe. Yes, again, we doing wings today. Guys, I know y'all love them wings. I love them too. So I decided to bring you another real quick wing recipe. I'm gonna show you today how to make Asian style wings. Yes, man, these babies are delicious. I'm telling you, I already know you're gonna love it. You guys love these wing recipes. This one is no different. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have here. So we're gonna use some honey, Dijon mustard, some chili sauce. We have baking powder, garlic powder, salt, some Italian seasoning, regular paprika, black pepper, soy sauce, and the star of the show, our wings. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've measured out the ingredients. Let me tell you what we have. So right here, I have 2 pounds of chicken. I've already cut and cleaned it. Teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of butter, teaspoon of Dijon mustard, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of Italian seasoning, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of soy sauce, teaspoon of paprika, 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon and a half of chili sauce. So these are the ingredients, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what we're gonna do now is start seasoning our chicken. So what we're gonna do is start adding all our dry ingredients. So let's go ahead and start off with our baking powder, our Italian seasoning, black pepper, our salt, our garlic powder, and our paprika. And guys, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna give this a mix like that. All right, so that's what we have. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna sit this here to the back right quick. Go ahead, bring in our baking sheet. I've already lined it with aluminum foil. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take some cooking spray and we're gonna spray these babies like this. All right. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our chicken, of course. We do it skin side down, guys. You already know how I like to do it. About a ½ inch to 1 inch apart. All right, guys, so this is what we have. So now I've already preheated the oven to 425 degrees. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick these in here for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, I'm gonna flip them over, let them cook for an additional 20 minutes, and then we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna sauce them, all right? Let's go. All right, so we are 30 minutes in. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start flipping these babies over and we're going to allow them to cook. Looks like these probably look like they'll be done in probably another maybe 15 to 20 minutes because these are like the smaller wings, so I may not have to do a whole 20 minutes. But of course, you know, I'm gonna take a look at them because I do like mine's crispy. Guys, that's why it's a good idea to spray your pan with cooking spray. That way you don't tear your skin from your chicken, because I mean that's the best part when you're eating the chicken is the flavor of the skin or from the skin. So make sure you know, if you don't have any cooking spray, get you a paper towel and rub it down with some olive oil or any type of vegetable oil will work. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get these back into the oven and I'll be right back. All right, so what we're gonna do now while our chicken finished cooking, we're going to prepare our Asian sauce. So we're gonna get this bad baby on, get it up to temperature. First thing we're gonna do is add our butter, start melting our butter. Next, we're gonna add our Dijon mustard, soy sauce, our chili sauce, and lastly, our honey. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and give this a good mix. Continue to let our butter melt. All right, now we get up to a boil. And we're gonna just let it simmer here for about, I'm gonna let it simmer here for about 2 to 3 minutes. All right, guys, so I think we are there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Give it a quick mix right here. Then bring our dish over here and I'm just gonna pour our sauce in here. And this is what we have, guys. So we got about 10 more minutes for our wings are ready. and I'll be right back. All right, so we're fresh out of the oven after another 20 minutes. So this is what we have. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put these in a bowl so we can get them sauced up, all right? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and grab them, start to put them in this pot or bowl. Oh man, that's getting crispy too. I can hear it as I'm pulling it up off this grate. All right, guys, this is what we have. So let's go ahead and get them sauced up. All right, guys, so we already have them in our bowl. So we're gonna take our sauce, and man, I'm just gonna add that to our wings, and we're just gonna use all of it. I don't see why not. And then we're just gonna get them moved around in here like that. Oh man, look at that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these on a plate. Oh man, they smell so good. I'm ready to eat. All right, so let me go ahead and get them on a plate. And there you have it, guys. Asian style chicken wings. Yes, you already know, very delicious recipe. And guys, it's really simple to make, not that many ingredients, but take a look at this. I garnished it with some green onions to give it a little color. So guys, I'm ready to get into quality control, so I'm gonna go ahead and let you know that the measurements and the ingredients are all in the video description below, like always. Guys, check out that All Wings Everything merch. I appreciate everybody that's supporting it. Also, the ebook, go check it out. And until then, let's go ahead and get into quality control so I can tell you how these babies taste. Let's go. All right, guys, so now it's time for quality control. Oh man, you know we got a plate of goodness right here. Y'all already know what I call this. I call this good groceries. Y'all know these some good groceries, son. I don't even know which one to pick. I'm just gonna pick this one on the end. Look at that, baby. Man, look at that baby. That's a nice thumbnail too, look at that. Man, this baby is delicious. Woo. Do another one. Put it in front of that like that. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Guys, this Asian sauce, this is a mild flavored wing. Nothing spicy about it. The flavors come together well. The Italian seasoning, I can taste that. Man, this is really good. So if you're looking for like a mild sweet taste with a little Asian flavor to it, because you got the soy sauce and the chili sauce, this is it. Look at that flat. Absolutely amazing. So, yeah, I'm gonna eat one more. Sorry, they're good. So, remember, get that ebook, go to www.allwingseverything.com. Guys, and I appreciate your support. You guys have been amazing. You have really, really been some great supporters. And the Wing King, thank you. Your boy Spinelli, All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.